equals if the blades on your Thermomix TM31 make a terrible noise. We are Kelatos IT, experts in tech repairs. We pick up your device from your door, run a free diagnostic and send you a quote before any repair. No calls, no running around. We are located at Calle Joaquin Maria Lopez 26, in Madrid. Link in the description. The noise might happen due to blunt blades or debris stuck in the motor. Our team can replace the blades and ensure everything is clean, so your Thermomix runs smoothly again. If you don't want to take any chances, at Kelatos we pick up, fix and deliver right to your door across the entire peninsula. Link in the description.